Hey guys, once again welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet baby frocks designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people in it. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very useful and helpful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. So you guys can see different designs in it, different colors are being shown to you which you have never seen before. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave good comments. This type of designs is very popular in the country. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you on all kinds of crochet related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay with me. Let me know in the comment box what you guys like to see, and bye.